Hello, and welcome to my advanced Excel project. So basically, in this project, I'll be showcasing key data analysis and cleaning techniques that I believe are very crucial for making business decisions based on a very large data set. Though my data set is not actually large, it's just like a randomly drafted data set to help me implement what a real life scenario will look like. So basically, I'll walk through the steps to handle missing data, duplicate record as well, how to use powerful Excel features like conditional formatting, pivot tables, and data validations as well to work on this project. So I'll also be performing tasks such as calculating total revenues. Well, when we start, we'll see that. So basically, this data set represents more like a strategic insight for a fiction consulting firm. So basically, um, a firm that focuses on innovation and strategy, which is what the real life scenarios or the real life companies are basically into currently. So let's begin first with cleaning the data first. As you can see from my screen, this is the data I'll be working with, and we have like some rows are missing. Some it's not like centralized. Like I like working with centralized data, so I like to like arrange the structures in a way that fits perfectly to me and also appealing to the viewer as well. So basically, because this is like my major data, I wouldn't want to like perform the whole cleaning and calculations on it. So I'll be moving this data, copy it, and move it to like a fresh sheet to enable me properly do everything I want to do. And in case there are errors or mistakes and I need to bounce back to the initial data, I can always go back to it because yes, everything is still saved as it ought to. So I also have generated some questions that I'll be answering with regards to this data to help me like show the skills I want to show. So I'll be working on data cleaning and preparation. I'll have a category for data analysis, pivot table analysis, data validation, and the scenario analysis, which are like the key basic things that we kind of see in using advanced Excel features as well. So I'll copy my data and I'll create a new sheet. Okay, let me paste it first. And I can rename these sheets to worksheets. Worksheets. Then I can run this. So I name it to worksheets and I can now perform my cleaning here. So just like I said, I would like to centralize this. So everything is centralized now. I can also have to go customize this. And then just add a little bit of color just to make it a little bit attractive to the eyes. Yeah. Okay. So so this is it. So for the missing if you check, see this I have 25 of service ID, different service names, categories, regions as well. So um I first of all like to perform the cleaning process before I commence with any other form of analysis I'll be performing on this data. So this is the total revenue. You can see that has like some missing columns. So first of all, if at all, if you are working like with a very big large data set and you feel like okay, I think I would like to easily identify these places where I have this missing data. So usually we use like a conditional formatting feature to easily like apply color to these empty cells, and it will be very easy for us to like grab okay, this is where we have like a missing data. Also, if we can also implement like the filter feature to just like filter it to blank, and you'll be able to see like okay, these are where we have blanks, and then do whatever it is we desire to do with it. So first of all, before I start, I think I would like to check for duplicates. So to make sure that my data, every information is unique, I'll go to data which will have any duplicates. So I selected everything because I wanted to check every column, everything that needs to be checked. I have on my data because I have selected. So it says two duplicate values found and you know 26 unique values remain. Notice that what I've taken. So this is it. It's we've done the removal parts and why is it fixed? So I think so for handling the missing data, I think I'll start with the dates. So we can see that for this person like a huge we don't have like a transaction date and in this scenario, because this is not like real world life data, where basically every information should be complete. For a case like this, I can just do like a forward filling strategy, just fill it with the next information, at least based on this scenario. On the normal, I think I'll still display conditional formatting later. Maybe I can just do it. Select this row, conditional formatting. So this is blank, and I would like to change the color. Let me see. I would like to use maybe I use this color. So basically, anywhere there's blank in this column, you should flag this color for me. You can still have like some blanks, and then if it's like it's in real life scenario, you have to contact the necessary department that picks out the data, or contact the client directly to know to get the right information on the date where these transactions actually took place. But for this case, just because of further analysis I was performing, I'll just implement a forward filling strategy to fill out this data. So it's everything because the condition I implemented is just for empty. Okay, to let me just because I'm working with this as well. Sorry, I'll push it down. I need to clear the way for this because I won't be using it. Clear snippet cells. So I push it up. So I'm back up, and that's how I've handled the transaction bits. And for the one about total region, um, I already showed what it looks like to perform the conditional formatting. So since the data is not that big, but if it's a big data, then I'll have to like, okay, I think I can also do like a filter. I think I should filter everything and go to data, apply the filter. So I can be able to like filter to blank. I think I should have like blanks because this is not a big data, so I can filter to blank. So I can see the rows where the total revenue is blank, and to properly correct this because I need to perform some visualizations and reporting at the end. I will fill this column with the average of everything we have on this. So I've shown another way of actually seeing sorting information, especially in situations where we have like empty rows. So I've actually like also showed how to easily see this kind of information. So for this, I'll be filling it with the average because it's a very important information. So I'll choose average if I'll implement if from here to the end here, comma, because I'll be putting this to show empty cell, and then I'll close it and work with that one. Another one for okay, so I think we gave like a rough calculation. Like to so I just did a little research to know what else I can work with. So let's see if this works. If no, don't do that. If this is G2, G6, sorry. If G6 is blank, replace with the average of the whole table of G to G. Not G to G. I like it to just follow for this. I doesn't take information that is not needed. So let's go for this works for me. And G6 as well. So this is G6. I think so. Hopefully it works. Still does not work. So I don't know why. So going back to uh, I've handled this. So going back to this, because of the empty cells you have. So what I'll be doing is basically to add like something like a helper column to help me insert. So initially I had like an error because I was referencing the same or column I was working on. So let's say um let me copy this from here to here. I'll paste it here just to have like a different. So to fix this issue, I'll still be using the if. Now I can easily reference this without having to like work on the same column. Is equal to an empty data, fill it up with an average of all the cells, all the information we have with the brackets and see reference back this something is missing. Average GTD uses I think this is it. I don't know why it keeps doing it. So I have this right now. This information was gotten from like we my main goal is basically like to fill up the empty cells using the average of the whole column. So I would like to just copy this because my data set is not that bulky. So I can easily like implement it inside here, but I'll just correct the cell referencing. So here I'll be referencing this and afterwards I'll also reference this as well. So we have this practically replacing everything, the same information. Uh, so because nothing is changing. Like this I'll just work it like that. If there's a better way to come out of this, I'll also be open to corrections obviously. So this is basically the only way I could think of as of now. So this time I'm getting the same information. Um, so I'm actually manually like type this thing now that I know that I'm getting the same information, the same response. So like having to go through the same process all over. So let me see what I got it changed. How do I go live? 325. Yeah, it actually has like an error. 337, this is 3, 7. So it actually has taken something else. We don't have anything so I can say this like an empty. Oh, I see. This one 6. I think we should be in the same. So this is 325 is empty. Average on 3 this. Oh, it's actually 50%. Differences. Yeah, I think we realize the same as expected. So so basically I think it's just a copy. I'll fill it up with nothing change. That's everything. Okay, paste that number and get that price. Paste that value. Yeah, I can get back everything. So now that my helper column is done and done with, I think I'll just take it out. And I'll still implement the same thing for this one. Okay, so to handle other places that will still have like empty sales like the discount and the customer satisfaction, I'll be adding another helper column. So basically my focus is there. And I'll be using the average again. Um, So using the average of this, okay, average of and this to this, this 9%. Okay, and then I'll do the same thing here as well. This is also something. So first of all, I like to copy this. But it's a bit easy to let's go. So I have to average copy backward from here to here to here. Why do I have to do? Okay, let's see. Yeah, I don't know why it keeps taking this extra thing. So I'll perform the same operation here. Average of the whole table. This is going to give us average of the whole table again. Of the whole column, sorry. So you know that I've manually like put this setting, I just copy it and paste as value. Happen. That is something wrong. So I don't know what happened, bro. I lost my question section. So I had to like start over because this is actually the question I'm asking. So now I've done the duplicates and then I'm in the second question, which is the question that has something like empty missing cells. So I'm trying to like piece up the issue as well. So just like I did earlier, I'll be adding like a helper column. I don't even know why that thing happened before. It's crazy. So basically for if I rather add another database first, so I'll copy everything here and I'll paste it here. I'll copy this and say average of from here to here. So average from here to here as well. So this kind of thing is just a copy. Copy this formula. Average from here to here. Average from here to here. So now that I have like the complete this, I'll just copy it and paste it as a value. So I need to so I can take out this. Yeah. So I need to change this to the percentage. So I want how much it's transferred from value data. And then for this, so because of the initial correction, I think I'm just in the process of redoing the system. 7 So just for uniformity, I'll be changing this again to numbers. Is that any number? And then I think it's okay like this. Okay, and that's that for this. So for this customer satisfaction of the thing, I use the same average strategy. Average from here to here. Oh, if I like to do something first, I need to do 10 before. So do and then let's go. So for this, I think I had I don't want to say I had something before. Let's present something around. So average, I don't know if I can check. And let's see here. Okay. average again. Let me see. Okay. So I think I can actually like just let just go here because it's a bit faster. It's something that can just keep up with. Let okay, next one. This is the same thing we're working with. So I have this and I'll simply copy and paste as value. And then I'll take away this because I don't need it anymore. And so let me just take out this highlights and go back to no, I want it to yeah. I want to just remember. I think it's okay. This smart location is very fine. So now I think we have like a much better looking data to proceed further with the next question that I'll answer. So let's look at the third question. The sales rep polling contains first and last name. How can we extract only the first name? So basically, with my worksheet, I think this transaction date would have been best if it was okay, X. If it would have been best if it was here. And that's it. Yeah, I think it's better here. So I can easily see this here. So here I'll be saying something like first name. First names. And let me do. And so we have something we call flash filling. So basically flash filling works like just is either I go through data setting or I just go through like okay I've typed the first one, I've typed the name, so automatically Excel declares that okay this person is actually like trying to just get the first names from the table and then to automatically like fills it up. So all I have to do is press the tab and everything displays. So if I do the same last names, still using the same flash filling, I can type Paka. I can type Paka Roasting. It's the taste of origin. I tap like so that's basically what's question 3. Yeah, the question 3 is all about this is blah 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 blah. So the first question is convert this stored as text to proper date format. So basically okay this is my initial data. So we can see that the date format is yeah is actually this. So let's confirm the type I think. I should be able to see. So basically I'm just going to change this. Okay, let's try to this. I can choose to make it look another way. It's very important. So these are like different formats you can look like usually most of them. That answer question 4. So moving forward we're going over data analysis part of this project. Okay, so moving over to the data analysis question. So the first question we have calculate the total revenue by region. So going back to my data sheets, I'll just come over here. Region. Total revenue by region. So we have region unknown. Region unknown. We have this west, south, and north. So we're looking for each of these things out. Some way from different range, this is a and this is the region, this is another place I use. and then which exact one do I want you to check for? So I want you to check for region only. So because this the region and the revenue are very constant across each is so I've noted of the dollar sign by simple pressing F4 to work with. So it does not affect, it does not change. It does not change as I'm moving. So this the last one remains the way it is because I want it to change dynamically as I'm moving across different rows. So this is incorrect because I have this here. Coming, but oh sorry. For some reason it's giving me the wrong answer. So let's try the other option. Okay. So open my brackets. So open my brackets and taking region and then I'll open this up and see what happens. Region first, the remaining second, and see, and then this condition. Yeah. So let me see, maybe I typed in wrong or something. Region of the region and then so just to avoid be sure I'm typing the right thing, but I don't know why it's actually really acting. So next I'm taking this region and I'm taking the name. I want to think that this is something that I can do. Maybe the S. Let's see. But I'll tell you it now. I don't even know what happened here. I've been using this formula before. So let's see. I don't know why it's moving. Oh, there we go. That was exactly what I thought before. So because I want this to remain constant across each row, obviously our region column and our region column as same, but the referencing of whether it's east or west or north is going to be different. So just carry that. So this is what I have. So just to start it up a little. I have to make it probably beautiful. Okay. So this is my part. And so I'd like to take this. Okay, so this is for data analysis. Verification one. as well. Using another variable to make it standard. And then keep it bigger. So moving to question 2, let's see what the question says. So my question 2 says, which of these services generated the highest and the lowest revenue? So for this one, I've used large large and small to more like bring out, okay, we're talking about the largest revenue and the lowest revenue. So this is the formula large, the function large, and the revenue references the revenue, the location says revenue. Okay, let's move on. Highest revenue, 150,000. Let's see. Because we don't have the that class, so we need to take it out of it. And you can consider actually the highest. Okay, we have done something now. We have that. Let me look at that. Okay, that's 100%. Okay, I know that's I'm just looking at okay, and those revenue before you are using the small or I think factors to using and mass. So from here, okay, I'm using 2. That's the minimum. So I have 105,000 as a minimum. So I think the minimum is less than that because I have 295,000. This is actually the minimum. Okay, so let's do one person. This is one. Okay. So I'm using that side for that. Let's make outside of that. Yeah. Then I can look at it. So I think this is the first. The question 3. What is the average customer satisfaction per category? So this is our category table. And what the question again? Customer satisfaction. So this kind of focus is here. And here, sorry. So basically we work on these two tables. So this can be for question 3. Question 3. To make it faster, so the question says the average customer satisfaction per category. So I'll just start with it faster. Okay, so let me just let everything go. Results for the table. Okay, so resisting the problem of things. So the question says, what is the average customer satisfaction per category? So this one I'm working with the category problem and the customer satisfaction problem. So I'll just take the category to rows. So I can have everything at least uniquely outlined. And then for the customer satisfaction, I'll take it to values. So this way we are saying this board is actually writing like sum of category satisfaction and the question says average. So I can come here and change it to average. And then this is the average I have. And for each of these, maybe I can still start it up if it's in or something. Does this work? Okay, okay. So basically because um this question four and the total number of total number implies like sum of clients served by each sales rep. So I think I'll still make use of relatable because it's going to be much more faster. Question four. So the location analysis appraisal. So the question says the number of clients served by each sales rep. So we have clients served is going to be on my value that sales rep here and then clients have been valid. So customers have some of customers also clients have we're going to like some of this. Yeah, I think I'm on the right track. I'm on the right track. I'm on the right track. So let's see, gonna start it up a little. Because I need something right. Okay, this is not bad. And there is inversion system. So that's the data analysis. Okay, so I have retrieved the revenue for a specific service and region using a lookup function. Retrieve the revenue for a specific service. So let me see, and region. So I have service name. Okay, and I have region. I'm using lookup value. So okay, so let's do question five. Retrieve the total revenue for a specific service and region using a lookup function. So I was working with because I'm working with the data that has to do both left and right because of our calculation. So I have to start from um, here and then I move backward from total revenue. I move backward to service name. I move forward to so basically I'm moving from and back. So based on this index match for this allocation. So this is say index. So I click my revenue and total revenue. Apply the match function for this and look at value. Current look up value. Look up value. You should be there analysis with search function. Look up value. Once you search for short function, use value up and look up value is equivalent around distance search. Equivalent around distance search for. Once you search for this column, and then I want to return exactly exactly zero, which is that much type, and then okay, so this is one way. Think I should have taken this English and then I'll some strategy. So the question was, you should be going to exercise in the chat. So how to do the how do you do this? Because like actually selected when I actually selected the sharp paper that I wanted to bring back as activities. So then you just to avoid confusion. I don't know if there's any problem that added any category that added versions. Or maybe I can implement like a song to ensure that it's bringing like a total sum of everything. So let me see when that can apply. Okay, then I have two conditions and the question. The question said equals the area for this service and also region. So I have to go back if that's common and technical. These are the transaction. And let's see. There we go. And then those are next to elements as well. Let me check. If I choose this strategy, I have the exception of the things. As the region column, the region column. Mm-hmm. Region column. So I changed it to connotation because I needed something unique on the table. So I can use probably the formula for this one while I go for that research because I would like to know how to handle the situation where I have to two rows in the same condition of the different. So using the English, so array, reference information. So I'll be using And this one, okay, now, first of all, let's match. Okay, look after two company. I'm looking up this. Look up array. I'm looking up that compare. Okay. Then I want to start match. So I'm going to no, double the parser. Match the itself. I have the information to competition. So I have the self column. So this part is okay. Match. I need just one bracket here. I don't know how it's true. I have this the form E68, which is where the information I'm management. The column I want you to search for is 6. This is that. Okay, it worked. So here's the bracket of the thing of the bracket. So this is annotation and this is revenue. So that is sorted out finally. So this is for question 5 of the data analysis part. Okay, so I already used pivot table before, or maybe I can do it again. So pivot table analysis is the next one. Sure. Okay. So for the pivot table, you can write it here. There's no pivot table. Pivot table analysis. Okay, so I think this is about. Let's go. Oh no. Okay. So question 1. Question 1 of the pivot table says create a pivot table showing total revenue by category and region. Total revenue, okay, by category and by region. So this part is total revenue is going to be in value, and category is going to be in row and region, most likely in row. So let me see what I'm saying. Category and region. This is category and region. Okay. So to decide this to access and this is what okay, let's use the path. Yeah, use the path. I can see list, service list, this is not. Yeah, for this is the first step. For question 2. Okay, so for question 2 says how they calculated to display the profit margin for the sales. So I'll be doing something new. Calculated field. How they calculated field to display the profit margin for the sales. So you can see that my data does not have anything for the sales. I'm going to be using calculated field. So let's discuss it. Okay, so yeah, I'm trying to define the profits. So fill level profit, and then this is the part where I can put in the formula I want to put. So profit is calculated by based on the information we have in our table. Total revenue instalação. Nossa, close hands, prepare the level round to the difference, but I think that the error happened to zero by zero. When divided by zero, I think that's why I choose for me. So normally it's like an analytical or if you that and see if it work. So I think this family. Sort of good. Perfect. Hold on. This is the Okay, finally, finally. So basically, anywhere since there is more like this is for East. So obviously there is no record of East in the East. That's why it has zero or no record of it in the East. That's why it has. But when we move over to this place, the customer is like there's information there because it's an all region. And for businesses, there's information because it's available in the South. So that's basically it. So I have this picture one and two because I have information here. Let's see this question three. The picture look like group data by month and analyze monthly revenue trends. Group data by month and analyze monthly revenue trends. Okay. So for question three, group data by month and analyze monthly revenue trends. Because it's trying to understand the trend and the revenue across each month. So I have to put in here. So this is what they want. Exactly. So this one is for this. Let's have a look. So let's have a look. I'll be taking our transaction to zero. Okay. I want to see the trend across each month for the revenue. The revenue. Just let me see it. So the one for very much information to that. Okay. Let's move it. Fine. I'm very interested that I can see a big book. Something I don't see that. So in general, you can see this. February, you can see this. March, in case April it drops. May, it's going down. June, it's going up again. So this is more like a really chart is going to be like up and down, up and down, up and down. I think I'm going to the question says not okay. The question says not is what I think should be the answer. So this is it. The next question. Another one is going about data visualization. So this is very funny. This is 200 green. So I'll be able to go there for the person. I'll be able to go there for this. Um, so I'll have to copy this. And okay, so visualization. Visualization. Okay. Okay. Okay, now Copa. Okay, so the question says I should I should simply show where revenue exceeds 200,000 in green. So I'm working with this and I'm using okay, I think that total revenue exceeds 200,000. Mm-hmm. So I'm working international greater than 200,000, 200,000 and this is actually green. So this is it. It's 200,000. Okay. So I don't want to do it on that part. Okay. That's question one. Question two. Let's see. The second question says, those where customer satisfaction is below 4. And yes, customer satisfaction is below 4. I'll just make it of this as well. Customer satisfaction below 4. Below customer satisfaction below 4. But another below 4.5. I think I'll do below 4.5 because most of them are already above 4. So I'm sure you can do 4.5. And the rest. So 4.5. 4.5. Alright. So this is it. This is a bit of a thing. If you want to like see something, it's very easy for me to really say, okay, this satisfaction for this customer, for this client, is like very easy for me to like be able to see the information I want to see. So the third question, create a chart to show revenue by category. Revenue by category charts. Okay. So for question 3, under visualization, create a chart to show revenue by category. So first of all, to make it easy for me, first of all, just like example revenue by category. So question 3, and then so let's not really cover you can see what it is and do the worksheet. So revenue by category, so category here, revenue here. So this is it. And then I'll now be inserting my chart. So I'm making use of the bar chart, column chart or bar chart. Let's see what it looks like. Insert charts. see what implemented current task. Okay. No, no, no. I think I like this. Option preference. Okay, so this is groups. Yeah. So for the purpose of the value share as a data variation in the share as a data variation. Okay, I'm allowed that first like do all the distance go. Let's see. Exactly. So just okay. Design question out. Yes. So this student, so this student will pick up everything instruction as it used to be. So just make it look nicer and just okay, make it look more like a dashboard. Make it back, second more. Okay. So to continue. So I'll be moving over to the next section. Sheet. So we're done with this. I'm moving to the last part of my question, which is scenario analysis. And let's say this is zero. And then in this part, I'll be answering the scenario-based analysis question. So it says, how would you increase client engagement by 10% after how would increasing client engagement by 10% affect revenue? So basically adding extra 10%, 110%, and then what would you value? You have like 1.10. So going back here, scenario based scenario analysis. Okay, so back to the scenario based analysis. On this board, okay. What goes for? I just need to get it clear. I don't know if you can see my questions. I like to actually how would increasing client engagement by 10% affect the revenue? So basically, um, okay, that's your question. This is a good question. Let's make it. Let's make it public. I need the fairness now. I need this table. And I also need the service fee table. Okay, so I'm like this. I also need so I'll take this. Okay, I need this. Question one. So here I'll add like an alien server. The next one for the clients. Yeah. Okay. And then I'll be using this clients are clients. The 110%. Yeah, there's an increase in 10%. So usually you have like 100% plus an increase in 10%. 110. When you divide it by 100, you have like 1.10. So I'll just be multiplying this. Okay. 1.10. So this is the first. So all should work. Okay. So look at myself. So basically to get like I don't know. Oh, I didn't want to do anything. So I just want to understand. Manufacturer will be like something like million, right? So we're doing it. Okay. So the new clients have clients no, not really. Clients the service fee. The new clients have like by 110 extra 10%. So it is the normal service fee we had before. Is any percentage? What is the freedom? Okay, that was just this is my second question. I think it's number. Okay, so back to this. I've been able to change it back to number. So this is a new revenue. Like, I like the center analysis. So I love to have my things at the center. Mm-hmm. And then I need to make the table everything. Okay. And maybe change this just so it's not two different side. So basically the question says the more like the impact of having increasing client engagement by 10% affects the revenue. So we can see that this clients have this is the new clients we get when we increase our engagement by 10%. And this is the new revenue that the company is going to generate when we increase our engagement by 10%. So that's for that. So the next question: what happens if the discount rate increases by 5% across all services? Okay, so I'll copy the services, all services, and I'll copy the discount because I think that the policy is I need to look it. Okay, this question. And discount. Okay, let's go back to the question. What happens if the discount rate increases by 5%? So the discount rate increases by 5%. Let me say increase discount 5%. So basically the discount plus 5%. Yeah, 5%. Okay, let me see. Let me see. No, thanks. So far, I see. So that's it. This is what I do. No, I change this. To just remember since it has a heading. So I can make us understand the percentage. I don't know. Mm-hmm. Okay. So the percentage is 10%, 15%. So I don't know why it's so hard. So that's why. Not sure. Should be giving me 15% or something. 10% plus 5% equals 15%. Okay, so here we go. So my 5% is 7. 0.05. Wow. Hmm. Okay, that works. Really, business. And then brain deficiencies. What happens to the listener with nutrition? What happens to the sure, I'm just reading them. Um, I need this to therapy for easy. Just so I think about what I'm doing. When no increase, I think the discount is just this the other person I don't like it. And that's it. Let me just increase. And the discount, okay, increase. Okay. So I want to see what's happening. If the discount increases by 5%. Okay, so second remove. Yes. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Volta. Deixa eu. Deixa eu ver um percentage. Deixa eu change this to percentage. Yes. Mm-hmm. No. So, I'm okay. So, okay. I see. This one is not. Um, so, this nice. This one very long. This one good. And nice. And this is the percentage. So, 100. Yes, that's nice. Okay. Okay, so I'll just check it around the top. So I think this is what I do is um, okay. So, so what happens if the salary is increases by 5% for services? So you can see if it increases by 5%, have like 15%, and then the revenue generated drops because just as it works, if I'm making 50,000 naira for giving a discount of 5%, when I increase to 10%, obviously my profit is going to drop. So that's exactly what happened there. An increase was made on the discount receipts, affected the revenue that generated by the business by dropping it down. And the last question, calculate projected revenue for next year with 15% growth rate. Okay, um, you can say, you can say, Yes, this is an answer. This is an answer. Alright, got it. No problem. Okay, now that this is an answer. And this is 15% increase, which is 15% increase. Five percent is 0.05. 15% is okay, so close. Let the same time. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. Alright. Oh my God. So okay, see now I understand the question. The question says increase total by 15. So this time I'm not meant to be like 15 times. It's meant to be like 100% plus 15% increase, which is another 15%. And when we divide it, we have like 1.15 instead. So basically, to get the value for this projected, here the projected this times 1.15, I have this, and then I drop it down. So this is um the answer to the question, calculating the projected revenue for the next 15%. The 15% growth rate. So 15% growth rate, this is what we expected to have as our return like revenue. So let me quickly think. Okay, so one more quick thinking. Yeah, okay, okay, so it's now like a number. So this is section 3, and this brings me to the last part of my advanced Excel project. So basically, I'm also interested in improving. If there's something I've done that I could have done better, I'm open to suggestions, to corrections. Thank you very much. So I end my video